Just want to make another quick, easy video for you. If you've been following along, we've been working on my 74 Gottlieb Magnetron. Most all Gottlieb games from the 60s and 70s have this big old nice chrome door and just a little enhancement. The left and the right, these are your coin return buttons. Drop bad quarters or whatnot down into here. In the middle is the start. Notice right now it looks pretty much the same. So you get some people over that, hey, how do you start a game? You know, either put a quarter in, or if you got replays or you got your game set on free play, you can push the center button. I've got it turned off right now, but this is what it's supposed to look like. The anodizing wears off over time, so I spent $4 and got myself a new start button. I'm going to show you how to change it real easy. Okay, so here we are at the back of the machine. Not the back of the machine, the coin door is open. This is the back side of that start button. Okay. There's just a little E-clip back here that I could pop off and slip this out and everything else, but I want to be able to show you guys. The machine is off. Why have something surprise me? So we're going to take these screws out. Hopefully I don't get in the way of the camera too much or create shadows with my little bit of light. But, little fun fact, this is a Gottlieb. The older Gottliebs, maybe even on the newer ones, you won't find Phillips screws. David Gottlieb apparently didn't like Phillips screws. He wanted to stick with the standard slot head screw. So that's what we're doing. Just take these out. Don't let the switch fall apart on you. If it's necessary for you, take pictures. Take this and pinch it together. You can put a zip tie around this if you want, or a piece of tape. You're only going to have it out of the way for a minute. Sometimes these wires are real tight and like to fling it back. Anyway, you can see how the back end of that post was red, or is red still. Take my screwdriver, pay attention where this thing goes. They like to go flying. I got lucky there. Let's push this out. Check it out. I told you it was red at one time. But the game has been loved. So we're going to replace that. Sometimes I'll keep those just in case I do get a game that's missing a start button. At least it's something for now. I'm going to put the new one in. Goes from the front. Pops through. It won't fall through, so you don't have to worry about that. And put this back on. You can don't cut yourself. Snaps right on there. That part's good. If you want, I got a little file sitting next to me. If you've seen my other videos, it's just a really worn out file. I'm just going to clean these contacts. You don't have to, just got it here. It's easy to get to. Why not? real quick. Get in there. That's it. Just shine them up a little bit. Hold it together, will you? See this? There's a little bonus. This right here looks like a giant contact. This is actually a weight. This switch stays normally closed. So this is what's known as a slam tilt. If somebody were to pound on the front of the game, or they're pissed at it for some reason because they're not good at pinball, this bracket here is normally bent outward just a little bit, and you can adjust how far out you want it. But if they were to slam on the front of this game, that will break contact and tilt your game. So I'm just going to put these 2 screws back in. Always get it started first. Keep in mind that this stuff is 30, 40, 50, 60 years old or more. So you're moving this stuff around. These the solder joints for the wires can come off. Just pay attention where it goes. Okay, nothing sped up there. It's all real time. Take you around to the front. Shut my big light off there. Look at that. Doesn't that look a whole lot better? All you gotta do is tell people push the red button. Or put a quarter in it. In fact, let's try it. Turn the game on. Didn't start up right away. That's good. Of course, I got the game with no... I'm talking about quarters and stuff, and it doesn't matter because I don't have it set on free play. But if I did, if I had credits, I'd push that button and it would start. So, that's all I got for today.